All right, high school algebra. This is the third video. If you need to go over those other two videos, we talked about polynomials and we talked about combining like terms. So let's review some combining like terms. Get a clean page going here. And today we'll multiply polynomials. We're going to multiply monomials with polynomials today, and then we'll do in other videos we'll do multiplying polynomials by polynomials, right? So just reviewing combining like terms, and we'll start with red. Why not? Start with red today. What if I gave you, just to review, 6x cubed minus 2x squared? Can we combine these? No, we can't combine them because they have the same variable, but they have different powers, different exponents, so you cannot combine them. Remember, they have to have the same variable and the same power. So if this was, for example, 6x cubed minus 2x cubed, what would that be? Do they have the same variable? Yes. Do they have the same power? Yes. So 6 minus 2 is 4, so it would be 4x cubed. And let's say, what if I had 6x cubed and we say plus 4x cubed? Again, same variables, same powers, so it'll be 10x cubed right there. So again, if they don't have the same variable and the same power, then you can't combine them. All right, so again, if you need to go over combining like terms, look at the other videos in the series so far. So let's clear that out, do multiplication of polynomials. Let's start with, let's say, we'll keep the red. Why not? We'll do 4x squared, and then we'll times it. Remember, parentheses is multiplying, right? We'll do 5x cubed plus 7x to the 5th power. Why not? But remember, this is just like this is multiplication. This is the distributive property, the distributive. And you probably learned the distributive property in 6th grade, or maybe before that. So again, we're just distributing the numbers in here. So what do you think this will be? Well, we'll change the pen to get the answer. We'll use blue. So 4x squared times 5x cubed. Remember, we're going to say 20. 4 times 5 is 20. And then x to the 5th. Remember, when we're multiplying, keep the base. If they have the same base, keep the base and add the powers. And this one will be 28x to the what? What do you think the power would be? To the 7th, right? So again, the exponent, the power, the index, they used to call it the index, right? You add them with multiplication. Remember the law of exponents. We talked about that in the last video. All right, let's clear this out. Clearing it out. And let's change the color too. So if I said, let's say -8, and then I put in a -5x, what's this answer? We'll do that. So negative times a negative is a positive. So it's going to be 40x, right? And what if I had -4 and then I said 3x plus 5x? What do you think about this one? Now be careful here, because right here you can combine like terms. It's actually -4 times 8x, which will be a negative what? 32x. So be careful with that. All right, let's change the color, put a little line here, give you another one. So what if I gave you 3x and then we put in parentheses 2x squared? 2x squared, where's the 2? There it is, 2x squared. And what else? Well, I'll say minus 5x plus, pick a number, 2. Use 2. Distribute this whole thing. And what do we get? So if you want to pause the tape, give you a few seconds. Distributing this whole thing, remember? Distributing it out. So now we're going to have 6x to the 3rd power. Be careful with these signs. Positive and negative is negative. 15x squared. And then plus 6x. So that would be that answer. All right, let's clear that out. Go back if you need to. What if you got a question and it said, multiply 6 by 3x squared minus 2. So you're just saying this, right? You're just saying this. You're multiplying, right? And then you distribute. And what would you get? What do you think? Correct. 18x squared minus 12. And why can't we combine these again? This will be the final answer. We can't combine them because, again, they don't have the same variable. In fact, 12 doesn't have any variable. So constants cannot be combined with variables, right? 2 plus y, for example, is 2 plus y. That's it. All right, let's give a little questions you might find more on the regions. What if we use the word if? Like if, right? Everyone likes the word if. If a times, let's give an answer. If a times 2x plus 5 equals 8x squared plus 20x, then what is a? What can a be? Well, not a b, but what can a be? What is the expression of a? What kind of monomial can we make? So it's like saying a times 2x has to give us 8x squared. Well, we have a 2. What do we need for the 8? We need a 4, right? So we know we need 4 because 4 times 2 is 8. And then we need an x squared when we only have one x, so we need another x. So it'll be 4x. But we're not done, right? Because let's see if this works. 4x times 2x plus 5. Will it give us what we need? 4x times 2x gives us 8x squared. Don't forget that equal sign. And 4x plus 5 will give us 20x. So yes, look for these type of problems. Right? All right, what if, clear that out, change the pen, use that color, why not? What if I said, let's see, what if I gave you negative 3x squared, and then we said negative 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. Try that one. Pause the tape, try that. All right, again, using the distributive property, use purple to get the answer here. Let's distribute this whole thing. We're going to distribute it right out and multiply. 3x squared negative 3x. Keep in mind, it's negative. Negative and negative is a positive, so this will be 6x to the fourth power minus 9x cubed, and then plus, remember, negative and negative is plus 27x squared. And you see they're going down, they're going in descending order, the variables. So this would be the answer. All right, so we were multiplying polynomials today by monomials. So in the next video, we'll do polynomials by polynomials. We'll multiply them. And then we'll go into other ones, adding and subtracting further on.